G'day folks and welcome back, and a big warm welcome to our new subscribers and our old faithful subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm KC and today, we got sunshine. Woohoo! It's awesome. Sorry about the little bit of wind, but here's the barn find M3 E46 lookalike. So let's get up there and check it out. Okay, so here we are, up close and personal. My BMW 325 CI. It has 340 horsepower. Transmission is giving me a bit of grief, but I have been in the process. As you can see, it's got the M3 front bumper. It has the same on the back. We've got 365s on the back and 345s on the front by memory, but it's been sitting there for over 7 years, and yeah, well, I've got a lot of things to go on it to actually complete it and all that, and also we'll sort out the transmission. What I'll do is we'll come a bit closer and show you what it does really look like. I'd love to be able to find a kit to build this car. That would be cool. I'd like to do that, and I'm starting to do that with a few of my other cars. Okay, hopefully it won't get too dark in here. You'll be able to see. She's been in here for a while, been neglected, the poor old girl. But yeah, this was a repairable, insurance repairable as well. No surprise, but yeah, well. She's in a mess, alright, but anyway, we'll get it all out and get it sorted and get it going. I thought I'd better show you guys it, because you probably thought, KC keeps telling us about all of these cars, and I'm thinking, geez, are you sure he's not telling bull? So there it is. Alright, so stay tuned, it'll come out in another video and we'll get into it, and we'll finish off the M3 lookalike completion and get it all sorted out, and so we can drive it again. Alright, until next time, take care, look after yourselves, and we'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now.